Okay, so the Comet browser from Perplexity just released a new update that I think not many people know about, but essentially with this new update, the browser is now able to see content on multiple different tabs. So this is actually quite a game changer, because that means the AI agent can see the content or understand the information on multiple different tabs, and therefore it can save some time and it can finish the whole task a lot faster. For example, on one tab you can assign AI to find info about your competitor via LinkedIn, but on the second tab you can ask AI to summarize its finding on Google Docs or perhaps Google Sheets. So again, this can save some time, and also it will make the process of complicated research into something that is more manageable and actually less intimidating. So let me show you how you can utilize this multi-tab capability in the Comet browser. So let's just open a new tab, and I do recommend to make sure that you're running the latest version of the browser, and after that you can start describing the task that AI must perform, and you need to be a bit more specific here. This is one example of a prompt that I'm going to use, and I'm going to break it down about why I'm using this prompt. And by the way, you can also type the instruction right here in the system menu, and basically you want to tell AI that you want AI to work in multiple different tabs in parallel. And honestly, there is actually no official mention about how many browser tabs that it can work simultaneously, but I do recommend to keep it to less than 5 tabs, because if you are using more than 5 tabs, then there's a good chance that it will be very slow, and it's kind of defeating the purpose. So for me, I'll just use 2 different browser tabs, and on one tab I want AI to find the latest post from the official X account of Gemini, and then on the second tab I want AI to find the latest videos from the official OpenAI account on YouTube. And then I want AI to summarize everything and just make sure that to use the agentic feature. So this is going to be my prompt, and if you want to copy this sort of example or template, then I'm going to put this prompt down in the description down below. So let me just click this and just wait for the AI agent to actually take over the control of this tab, and after that it will create a sort of bullet list about the task that it needs to perform. So initially it will only work on one tab, but as you can see now it opens the second tab, so now it is working on multiple different tabs. So this again will save some time, but I also noticed that it also makes the process to be a bit slower in a way that, because AI actually will need to see the content, it will take screenshot on multiple different browsers, and therefore it needs some time to actually respond to each of them. So even though in theory it can actually save time, but it is not like if you have 2 different tabs then it will make your work to be twice faster. In reality, it's more about maybe 70% faster, which is still good but not actually crazy fast. But anyway, I'll just skip forward and I'll show you the result of this task via the Comet AI browser. Okay, so this is the result. As you can see, there are 11 steps completed. It is using 2 different tabs. Again, there is no official mention about how many tabs that it can work in parallel. I have tried it on 10 different tabs, although again it will make the process to be significantly slower. So maybe 2 to 3 tabs is my recommendation. But anyway, as you can see, it is able to do it quite well. And finally, I got this answer, a summary based on the 2 tabs that it is working on. So yeah, that's how you can utilize the multi-tab capability in the Comet browser. In theory, it can do it automatically if there is any task or any prompt that apparently requires AI to work on multiple distinct tabs. It will do it automatically, but sometimes you can also just force AI to work in multiple tabs by specifying that you want AI to work on multiple tabs in parallel. So yeah, that's basically how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.